If your washing machine isn't spinning, you are not alone. This is one of the most common problems people face. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 possible reasons why your washer won't spin and exactly how to fix them quickly at home. Make sure you watch till the end because the last fix is something most people completely miss and it can save you hundreds on repairs. First, check if your washing machine is level and stable. If it's wobbly, most washers will refuse to spin for safety. Here's what to do. First, use a spirit level on top of the washer. 2. Adjust the feet until the machine is completely level. 3. Make sure it sits firmly on the floor, not rocking. Even a small tilt can prevent spinning, so always start here. Raise the machine to get access to the stands so as to adjust them accordingly. Make sure that all the leveling feet are leveled. Adjust whichever is not and run a cycle to see if the problem is resolved. For top-load washers, some models require the lead switch to be fully engaged. If the door seems fine but still won't spin, the lead switch might be faulty. You can test it with a multimeter or replace it easily from your local parts store. Overloading is another very common reason. If the washer senses too much weight, it won't spin. In this case, take out some of the clothes, reduce the load to about half the drum capacity, and try spinning again. This one is super easy to fix and most people overlook it. If your washer is still not spinning, it could be a mechanical problem. On many models, the drive belt connects the motor to the drum. If it's loose or broken, the drum won't spin. Here's how to check. Unplug the machine, remove the back panel, inspect the belt for damage or looseness, and lastly, replace if necessary. Most belts cost less than $20. If your washer has a direct driver motor, check the error codes. Often it's a motor problem which can sometimes be reset following your manual. Finally, check the blocked pumps or drain hoses. A washer that can't drain water often refuses to spin. Follow the following steps. Turn off and unplug the machine. Open the drain filter at the front bottom. Remove debris, coins, hair or small objects. Check the drain hose for clogs. After clearing, your washer should spin normally. Many people ignore this, but it's one of the most common causes of non-spinning drum. Remove all the debris you find in the pump filter. A clogged filter is also the main cause of many Samsung error codes, including the SUD error and the 5C error code. That's why it's advisable to always clean your pump filter every 3 to 4 months. So those are the 5 common reasons why your washing machine won't spin and how to fix each one. If you follow these steps, most problems can be solved at home without calling a repair technician. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss future appliance repair guides. Also, check the links in the description. I've included replacement parts and tools you'll need for each fix. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.